Nobody is talking about this hidden niche where even small channels are getting millions of views again and again. And the craziest part, you can make these videos in under 5 minutes. Look at this channel. Over 300,000 subscribers, and most videos are crossing millions of views, with only around 70 uploads. Here's another one. Same story. 300,000 plus subscribers, around 90 videos and huge views. This niche is literally growing day by day, and most creators are still sleeping on it. So today, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to create these videos using AI. Let's go. First, open the link I provided in the description, copy the full prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will give you 10 trending video topics for this niche. Choose one topic number. For example, I'll choose number 2. So, I'll simply type 2. Now you'll get image prompts, video prompts for the full transformation video. Now, go to FlowAi. Copy image prompt 1 and paste it in FlowAi. Generate the image and save it. Now copy image prompt 2, generate it, and save it. Repeat this until you generate all 5 images. Now you have all the scene images ready. Now choose frames to video. Choose first image as frame 1 and second image as frame 2. Paste video prompt 1. Hit generate and your first clip is ready. For other videos, do the same process. Image 2 to image 3. Video prompt 2. Image 3 to image 4. Video prompt 3. Image 4 to image 5. Video prompt 4. And boom! Now you have 4 perfect clips. Save them all. Now open your editing software, import all the clips, and arrange them in order. Now do these 3 simple edits. Add cuts, remove slow parts. Add smooth transitions if you want, and your viral video is ready. So, that's how you can create videos in this trending niche and grow fast on YouTube. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Unseen Prompts, and comment below what niche you want me to cover next.